Hey there, this is a general guide on how to warm up for your digital sculpting, no matter what software, Blender, ZBrush, or any other medium, I guess. Now, you don't have to warm up for every sculpt, but warming up will ensure better results. Also, you don't have to warm up before every sculpt that you do, but let's say at the beginning of a day or after a big break, just getting back into that sculpting feeling, I guess, is very good. The easiest or shortest warming up would just be sculpting some random lines, just getting used to the feeling of the pen. This is very quick and might help you if you haven't sculpted at all and don't have time for a warm up. The second quickest would be speed sculpting your sculpt or whatever you are trying to create, or speed sculpting anything really. But since you're not going to use a reference and you just want to do things quick, you are not using too much time, but also you are getting some shapes correct. So let's say you want to warm up for sculpting a character, you can use 10 minutes, get sort of an idea of how the character is going to look. Now the third and probably the best warm up would be to speed sculpt the character you want to using a reference. Now, even though it is a speed sculpt, you do want to take some time to just get some characteristics and forms of the character right. So do spend some time on each part, but you don't have to go on the details of the character. For example, with the arm video you are seeing, I did a warm-up where I sculpted the general shapes, but I didn't really care about folds or how certain skin parts would work. I just tried to get the shapes looking similarly to my reference. I also didn't use each polygon count, or I guess I didn't get the main forms when I had lower quality. I just quickly went through higher levels of quality, compared to like actual sculpting where I would like to take my time with every polygon count and just get the most out of the quality. This can be applied to characters, anatomy, or anything you want to sculpt. Outside of helping you to sort of get the feeling of sculpting in, warming up also helps you look at how the character would or very closely look like when you do finish the result. So now you have a decent idea on what to improve and how you can get certain forms to look so it better matches the reference. You shouldn't really overthink warm-ups, but they're just a nice tool you can use so you can get better results. Yeah, that's about it for warm-ups. Thank you.